Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to extract data from image and export to text file using web activity in ADF. Coming to my scenario, I have a receipt in image form and I want to extract the details from the image and turn them into a text file and place the text file in the storage account. This is my scenario. To read the content from a PDF or image, we need to use the document intelligence service. I explained how to set up this service in my previous video. I will include the link to that video in the description. So please check it out. Okay, let's implement this practically. Before that, I will show the receipt I have in my storage account. Let's go to the storage account. Okay, this is the receipt. I want to extract the data from this receipt and export to a text file. Okay, for that we'll create a ADF pipeline. Let's start. Create a new ADF pipeline. To call the document service, we need a web activity. I will name it as call document service. Go to settings. In the URL, to get the URL, we need to go to the resource group, and this is the service document intelligence, and click on this with this endpoint. Along with this endpoint, we need a predefined models. In document intelligence, there are some predefined models to read the invoice, receipts or business cards. And these are like some of the predefined model. So I will be using one of this predefined model. The URL will be like the endpoint URL followed by the predefined model. I will be using this one of the predefined model. Okay, it's a combination of endpoint URL and predefined model. Copy this method to select post. And in the body, the format will be like this. The body will looks. We have to get the path to the file and the SAS token. In storage account, this is my file, and go to properties and get the URL. And we need SAS token. Generate the SAS token. Copy it. Okay, copy this URL. Go to ADF. This is the URL. Okay. Authentication, select none, and in the headers add a new. We need two type of headers. One is a content type, and the content type is application JSON. This is a like standard one, and we need another one, and we need a subscription key for the document intelligence service. To get the key, go to the document intelligence, manage keys, show keys, select the key, go here. Okay, let's debug this. Let's verify the output on this. If you notice that the response from this web activity has a special header, operation location. This header contains a URL which points to where you can check for the final results once the processing is completed. It means when you send a request to Document Intelligence to analyze an image through the web activity, the service does not give you the extracted right text right away. It processes the image in the background and then it will retrieve the results. Basically, this URL is as a unique location where the Document Intelligence stores the analysis results of your image. Okay, to get the results, we need another web activity. We'll take another web activity. We'll call it as get analysis results. Okay, using this web activity, we'll call the URL in the operation location. Okay, let's copy this. Copy. Go to settings, click on URL, add dynamic content, call document service dot. Okay, we need web activity response header. Square brackets. We are going to call operation location within single quotes. Okay, method, we are getting the results. I'm selecting the method as get. Authentication none. And in the headers, we need a subscription key, so I am using the same key value. Okay, let's validate and debug that. Okay, it got succeeded. Let's verify the output from the results. Okay, succeeded. I'm copying it. Let's go here. Okay, using the second web activity, we successfully extracted the data from the image, and see that this content, it holds that text from the image. Okay, now the next step is we have to export this text into a text file. For that, we need to use a copy activity. Before that, we'll save this results into a variable, and then we'll use a copy activity to export the results to text file. So I'm creating a variable. Go to settings. We'll create a new variable. Okay, it is of type string. Go okay. Click and add dynamic content, and this time we'll use the get analysis results. Press dot. We need analyze results dot and content. Click OK. Okay. Next we'll take one copy activity. Copy data. Source. In this scenario, my source is the output from the variable. Okay. So we need something to create the data set. So for that I am using a dummy file. Let me show the file. Container. Okay. Just I am using the dummy file with the test column. To text file. Let me create one. I'm using the existing linked service. Uncheck the first row as header. Can browse source file. Import schema and click OK. Okay. We are referring to a dummy file, nothing to do with this file, and we need an additional column. Click on this. File content. Okay. And in the file content, add a dynamic content. Go to variables. Click on analytics result. You have to select this variable. Click OK. Go to sync. We'll create one data set. Text file. Okay, select the path. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, and open the dataset again. And we need some file name. So I will give it as data.txt. So the data will be extracted to this file. Okay, go back to pipeline. Go to mappings. Import schema. Just give some test value to validate that pipeline. Click OK. Okay, remove the first column. We don't need this. Delete it. Okay, and this is the file content is the additional column we created, and we are pointing to one of the column in the destination. Okay, let's preview the source. Okay, it's blank now. Okay. Okay, let's validate and debug the pipeline. Pipeline got succeeded. Let's verify the results. Go into storage account, target. Yeah, the file got generated, extracted data.txt. Click on this. Yeah, we successfully extracted the data from the image. Let's compare it. So this is the text in the image. You could win a $1,000 gift card, and compare it here. Yep, same thing. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.